Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to backup and restore your ROBOROCK Saros 10R map. To do it, click on the map editing button, then tap on backup. Now, as you can see, it has been backed up, so in case the map changes for whatever reason, or it gets automatically deleted, or just by accident if you delete it, or if you change a little bit too much here in editing the map and want to go back to the previous stage, you can just restore it by clicking on the edit and tapping on restore. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.